Here's how to fix Facebook dating if it's unavailable. Now, if you're on a phone or a computer and you try to go into Facebook dating, but it's not showing up or not available, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Facebook app here. And you should be able to navigate to dating by just tapping on your profile at the bottom right. Oh, tap on it again. And then you should be able to see a shortcut that says dating. Now, all you need to do is scroll down. You might have to hit see more, and you can see there is dating. You should be able to tap on it, and it should open up Facebook dating. However, if it says it's not available or doesn't show up at all, there are some reasons why. One reason could be that you don't meet the requirements. There are some requirements to using Facebook dating. One is that you have to be at least 18 years or older. So you could have entered in the wrong birthday in Facebook. To check your birthday in Facebook, let's just go back out of here. We'll scroll up and tap on the gear icon at the very top right. From here, you can see more in Account Center. So let's tap on that button. And then all we need to do is scroll down and you can see personal details. Just tap on that and you can see birthday here. Just tap on your birthday and make sure this is the correct birthday and that you're over 18. You can always tap on edit here if you want to update what your current birthday is. However, if that's not the issue, if you are over 18 and it says you're over 18, there are other requirements. It says you have to have a good standing for your Facebook account for the last 30 days, live in a country where it's available. So you can see a long list of countries that it is currently available. I'm in the United States here, so you can see it is available in the United States. Now, you can go back and see if you have any issues with your account standing. To do that, let's go back out of here. We'll go back, keep going back here. And in your settings and privacy, we're going to go back again and scroll to the very bottom. You can see help and support. Let's open up that. And now you're going to choose account status here. Tap on account status. And what you're going to be looking for is the check mark next to your account. If there's a green check mark, that means there are no issues with your account status and you should be given access to Facebook dating. Now, if you go through all of these steps and you still have it not available or not showing up, the last thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here and we'll tap on Help Center here. And you're going to go through the process of submitting a help request here. So you can see it shows you a bunch of different things to look for. You can type in dating here, which pops up with an option. You can see dating under Facebook dating, and it has a bunch of options. Tap on the first one. And now if you scroll down, it should give you the ability to submit a support ticket. Now, if it doesn't show up, sometimes it pops up with a support ticket, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you just need to shake your phone. So that essentially pops up with report a problem. Now you can hit report a problem and I'll hit include. And then now we'll just type in my Facebook dating is not showing up. Please fix it. And then you can go down and then just hit send at the top right after you take a screenshot or upload any photos or videos of the problem and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.